So how can you disable someone tracking your phone? Well, let's explain that. But if you're new on the Foxtecc, go ahead and subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So on your iPhone, just locate the Find My application. And you're going to notice that at the bottom, you have sections for me, items, devices, and people. So items are your AirTags, devices are your iPad, iPhone, Mac, whatever. But then there is the people section. And in there, you just want to ensure that nobody is accessing your location. So you can see I have the ability to start sharing, meaning that nobody can really access it right now. If there was somebody showing up right here, I would have the ability to stop sharing by clicking on that person and just terminating the sharing of location. So this is the most common scenario. But outside of that, there are more ways how people can access your location. For example, WhatsApp, the messenger, has the ability to share live location as well. So you can check out your chats and whatnot and see if anybody has accessed it, right? So that's a good step. Or you can open up your settings app from which you find the privacy and security and check out location services. And ideally, if you are not sure about some things, you can literally decide that WhatsApp as an app cannot access your location at all, right? So you choose it to never or only while using the app, which makes sense, right? You can be assured that nobody can ever access your location through WhatsApp. And you can go like this through other services as well, or even turn it off completely for your whole phone. So these are the options you have. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll catch you later in the next videos.